To me, riding my bike with my daughter means that she gets to see the world from my perspective, and she gets to share the joy on the mountain bike trail.
For me, it's about getting outside with her, spending time together in the mountain and having fun.
For me, it's about taking my little princess outside. It's about exploring, being out there in the nature, and the bike is just the perfect tool for that.
It lets us get out on the trails, be out in nature, spend time together, do some rad single track.
For me, it's all about doing the things I love with the people I love the most. Right, V?
For me, it's about introducing my kids to a sport that I loved when I was growing up. And now at Kids Ride Shotgun, we get to share that with families all around the globe. Getting kids off screens and onto trails, into nature together, we think what we're doing is genuinely good for the world.
Hey Trendsetters, we've got a couple of special guests here today.
Can't decide if I should call, miss your tons or not at all.